Fuck, man. High pressure fuel pump?
God damn. We'll find out right now.
Fuck, man.
I think it's the fuel thing is flapping on the firewall. What is he doing? Show him, hurry up, close the door. Touch the pipe. There you go. What do you touch? Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. So that pipe is flapping. It's always that pipe. You see that pipe you're touching, right?
Yeah, the fuel line.
Okay, fuel line, got it. Okay, that's all. You guys see? MDX. These fuel lines always flapping. When it flaps because of the new MDX design, they have this thing right here. It's flapping in there. So what you need to do is figure it out how to fix that flap to go away. Acura probably doesn't know this. I know this. So I'm gonna help you guys. A lot of technicians out there. This thing's still under warranty. There's no fix for it, I'm sure. I'm gonna send this to Acura's tech line and tell them what I found, and hopefully they come out with a fix. I'm not an engineer, so I have no idea. But this MDX originally came in for noise. They have issue. Hi, Bill. It was the noise kind of like that, but it's coming from this blower motor. I replaced it. The noise went away. Customer came back. Now this noise is here, and I found out it's that hose that's causing that issue. 2023 or 2022 and above new MDX 3.5. These are built very well. This is in advance. You would want to buy this SUV, the best built SUV ever made.